Hello children, today's subject is grammar, chapter 9, comparison of adjectives. Adjective can express degree of modification. There are 3 degrees of comparison. For example, clever, cleverer, cleverest, tall, taller, tallest. Now look at the pictures and read the sentences. The cat is big animal. The lion is bigger than the cat. The elephant is the biggest of 3. What do you see? In all the sentence, big is main adjective. In the second and third sentences, the form of the word big has been changed to show comparisons. Here are some more examples are, the rabbit runs fast. The deer runs faster than the rabbit. The tiger runs the fastest of all. Thus, we see that we can use adjectives to show comparisons. Now read these sentences. We know this thinner than Saksham. Rehan's desk is bigger than the Madhu's. When we compare two things or person with the same quality, we use the ER. From the adjectives, this form of the comparison is called the comparative degree. We always use then after comparative from the adjective to show that the two nouns are being compared. We have learned earlier that we can use more to show comparison. For example, the green dress is more beautiful than the blue one. Meera is more intelligent than Garima. Now study this table carefully. Make a note of how spellings change in the comparative degree. These are positive degrees and these are comparative degrees. Safe, safer, red, redder, quick, quicker, short, shorter, brave, braver. Children, read this all the words and learn. Read the sentences. Riya's desk is biggest of all. Riya's desk, what is biggest of all? Tina is thinnest of all the girls in our class. She is thinnest of all the girls in our class. When we compare 3 or more persons or things with the same quality, we use est from the adjective to show that the person or thing that has the highest degree of that quality. This form of the adjective is called the superlative degree. Just as we sometimes more to compare two persons of the things in the superlative degree, we use most. For example, this is the most beautiful garden I have seen. The elephant is the most intelligent of all the animals. Read this table again carefully. The table now has the superlative form of the adjectives. Notice the spelling changes. This is the positive degree and the comparative degree and the superlative degree. Safe, safer, safest. Red, redder, reddest. Quick, quicker, quickest. Tall, taller, tallest. And these are all you have to write in notebook and learn. Some adjectives do not follow any pattern. When we compare them, they changes in special ways to show comparison. For example, good, better, best, less, lesser, least, bad, worse, worst, many, more and most. Now we meet on more exercise. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the adjectives given in the brackets. Remember to use then after the adjectives. Rekha, and here it is tall. So we can compare the Gita. Rekha is taller than Gita. This box is heavier than that one. Here it is two things. So we can then use, and it is comparative degree. So taller. This book is more interesting than the book you are reading. Mount Everest is higher than any other mountain in the world. Mrs. Kamna's garden is prettier than Mrs. Arush's garden. This table is longer than that one. An elephant is stronger than a lion. My jacket is warmer than the one of you have. Underline the correct adjectives from that ones given with the brackets. My skipping rope is longer than yours. A whale is longer than the elephant. My sister is younger than me. The tortoise is the slowest animal I know. A mouse is small animal. A feather is very light. Meenal wrote a short play. The strongest wrestler will win the competition. Fill in the blanks with appropriate adjectives from the brackets. The complete the sentences. Which car do you like the most? This is the worst play I have ever seen. His project was better than everybody else's. English is my favorite subject. I score more in it than in any other subject. Traffic during the day is worse than at night. Too many sweets are not good for you. Ashish had many toys, but he wanted more. We should always talk less and work more.